Welcome to Smart Earnings. In this episode, we will be discussing financial results of Exide Industries Limited for the second quarter financial year 2025. Exide Industries Limited is a prominent player in the battery manufacturing sector, specializing in automotive and industrial batteries. The company is strategically investing in lithium-ion technology to enhance its market position and adapt to shifting industry trends, while maintaining a strong foothold in traditional lead-acid battery markets. Financial performance, year-on-year metrics. Sales, 4,450 crore rupees, reflecting a growth of 1.8%, primarily driven by strong automotive aftermarket demand. Operating profit, 472.3 crore rupees, a decline of 5.4%, attributed to rising operating expenses and a changing product mix. Net profit, 233.4 crore rupees, down by 13.7%, due to increased interest expenses and depreciation. Earnings per share, EPS, 2 rupees and 72 paise, compared to 3 rupees and 16 paise in the previous year. Quarter-on-quarter metrics. Sales grew marginally by 0.3% from 4,435.7 crore rupees, indicating steady demand in key segments. Net profit increased by 5.7% from 220.8 crore rupees, supported by higher other income. Operating profit margin, slight decline to 10.6% from 10.7%. Other financial insights. Operating expenses increased by 0.4% quarter-on-quarter to 3,977.7 crore rupees, reflecting ongoing cost pressures. Interest expense grew by 14.1% quarter-on-quarter to 34 crore rupees, reflecting higher debt servicing costs. Other income rose significantly by 146.6% quarter-on-quarter to 40.2 crore rupees, providing some relief to margins. Management insights. Industry demand. Automotive replacement demand, strong growth in four-wheeler and two-wheeler aftermarket segments. OEM demand, modest due to production cuts and high channel inventories. Segment performance. Solar and industrial UPS markets showed double-digit growth, while telecom and home UPS segments faced declines due to adverse weather conditions and high base effects. Margin dynamics. Improvement in gross profit margin attributed to a favorable shift towards higher margin aftermarket businesses, countering declines in lower margin OEM and telecom sectors. Growth outlook. Anticipated rebound in automotive OEM demand in H2 FY25, driven by normalized inventory levels and festive season sales. Positive trends in industrial sectors, supported by increased private and public capital expenditure. Strategic initiatives. Lithium-ion battery project. Significant progress in the lithium-ion cell manufacturing project under Exide Energy Solutions Limited, with Phase 1 investment projected at 5,000 crore rupees. Factory construction nearing completion. Production expected to begin by mid-2025. Focus on securing customer commitments and capturing opportunities in automotive and industrial applications. Cost management and organizational efficiency. Comprehensive cost excellence program aimed at reducing factory rejections and improving operational efficiency. EBITDA margin targets, approximately 13% in the near term and 14% in the long term, supported by structural improvements and market realignment. Competitive context. Exide's investments in lithium-ion technology position it competitively against domestic players like Amara Raja Batteries and global peers such as CATL and Panasonic. Higher margins in the automotive aftermarket segment provide a buffer against volatility in OEM and telecom sectors. Established distribution channels give Exide a strategic advantage in scaling lithium-ion operations. Risks and mitigation. Market risks. Fluctuations in raw material prices, lead and lithium, and currency volatility could impact margins. Execution risks. Challenges in ramping up lithium-ion production, including technological hurdles and customer adoption rates. Mitigation strategies. Active engagement with customers, phased capacity expansion, and a robust funding strategy combining equity infusion and bridge loans. Forward guidance and outlook. Strong H2 performance expected, driven by festive demand, inventory normalization, and continued aftermarket growth. Strategic focus on diversifying revenue streams through lithium-ion technology, while strengthening traditional lead-acid operations. Continued investment in innovation and capacity expansion to capture emerging opportunities in automotive, industrial, and renewable energy markets. Conclusion. Exide Industries Limited is navigating a mixed demand landscape with resilience, emphasizing operational efficiency, and strategic investments in high-growth areas. Its dual strategy of reinforcing traditional segments, while aggressively entering the lithium-ion space positions the company for long-term growth and profitability. Investors should closely monitor the progress of the lithium-ion project and improvements in key segments during the second half of FY25. Thank you for watching Smart Earnings. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into earnings calls and financial results. See you in the next episode.